everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your name on REDnote app. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you have to do is launch your REDnote app and then tap on the U icon that you see on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner of your phone. After tapping on U icon, you can see your profile being opened. Now simply just tap on Edit Profile and this will pop up. Now you will be able to see the option name. Simply just tap on the option and then you will be able to change your name just like that. When you're done, click on Save button and then you are all set. That is exactly how you can change your name on your REDnote account. Very simple, right? Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in the next.